So Kaya Skin Clinics is India's foremost chain of skincare clinics. We're finishing 10 years now, and as any brand grows, our target audience is getting younger. So we realize that the best way to reach a younger target audience is through mobile, because these youngsters are online 24 by 7 and next to their phone all the time. So we've done a couple of very interesting things using mobile as a platform. One is we've done geofencing to target customers in specific retail catchment areas where we have clinics. So for instance, if we have a clinic in Bandra, you can geofence Bandra, and whoever is walking down within the 2 kilometer vicinity gets an SMS or gets some kind of a notification with a deal for the customer. And then they can potentially go and sign up and avail of Kaya Skin Clinic services. The second thing we do is we do targeted advertising. So since our target audience is very niche, as an example, we had taken a data cut of GPRS users who are among the highest spenders of certain telecom operators and who would have been active for the past 48 hours, and send them customized messages and send them a call to action saying that if you register now, you get this at the clinic, XYZ offer at the clinic. That worked very well for us. A couple of thousand people registered, and a lot of them came back to the clinic, and then they become a part of the larger Kaya family. So these are two examples of how we leverage mobile. Apart from that, we leverage mobile for our loyalty program. We have a loyalty program called Kaya Smiles. So it's a completely mobile enabled program. You can SMS to a short code, and you can get a point statement and various other information about your loyalty account. So these are just some examples among many things that we do as a part of our mobile marketing program. So one of the biggest challenges that we face is that we are a very niche brand. And so while we are present across 26 cities, our retail footprint is only 85 clinics because all of them are company-owned clinics. So the challenge is media wastage. So every time we advertise either on print or even on television, radio, any media, about 95 to 98% of the media money is actually wasted because the TG is probably 2 to 5%. So that's the reason why we need to look at digital and mobile as mediums. And you'd be surprised that we would probably be spending a far higher percentage of media marketing dollars on digital and mobile than most other marketers.